Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks, and I'm going to start a new series here called the Back Shop, uh, where we're going to basically fix stuff and put decoders and stuff and sound, so it'll be separate from the other stuff, make it a little bit easier to follow. Um, yeah, so this is a GP9 Proto 2000 Lifelike. This is an oldie. I got this puppy back in early 2000s when I first started not really getting into the hobby, but I started building my collection into the hobby. So what we have here apparently is a common occurrence is that the gears in here crack just from age. So we got a little mini step right here. This is a free episode of What's in the Box. We'll get it all done at once. You won't have to suffer through another one of those. And let me show you what these are. I ordered 2 pair of these because pretty sure the others are going to break. These are Walters. Walters bought Lifelike, took it over, Proto 2000 series. They just call it Walters Proto now. So these are GP9s. Goes all the way up to GP60s, so that's good. And does the FAs, which is awesome because I own a couple of sets of those, which I really like. I think I got at least one ABA set of those, but I'm not sure. So that gear in the unit actually is cracked long ways. These actually come apart. You can twist these apart. So that's not a problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these out. This is, I believe, this first one is the one that's actually broken because you can see how easy those wheels are falling out. And what's nice is you get a set of wheels. You get an extra set of wheels hanging around. Never know if you're going to need another set. I'm really going to try doing this without unsoldering and removing these trucks because it seems to be a lot of work, and I really don't want to do a lot of work. I just want to get these things running. So far, I think we can do this. Mazel tov. All right. That's actually the one that's broken. I tried to fix it. I'll admit to it. I'll fess up. I tried fixing it. It didn't work. So, where'd that go? It's an interesting little quandary right there. Oh, there it is. Got 4 extra bearings, which is nice. So, you ready for this? You ready for how hard this is going to be to put in? And that's one. That's 2. Flush. Flush. They're in. Yeah. That's nice. Alright, so these subframes sit on here like this. These push in. Look at that. That's that. That's the real ones. That's the front ones. Okay, so let's see. I don't know if we can see this. All right. I'm gonna pause you for half a second and get a little better light on the situation here. All right. Oh, let me see. I'm trying to focus on this thing here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a hairline crack in there. Watch this. Boom. See that crack open up a little bit? Let me throw the other one in over here. See that crack? All right. That's what's causing it. So, I'm not sure, but the other one might be cracked too. Yep, look at that. That was cracked as well. That's crazy. All right. So let's get on to these back ones back here. I'm going to change these out because so far everything's been cracked. So let's stop playing around with this stuff and just fix it. Move along. I may order maybe 4 or 5 more sets of these. I have I gotta look, but I think I have 3 uh, SD9s. So I'm thinking that I might have to do an inspection of them. They don't have decoders in them, so it's not they're not really working right now on any type of layouts that I'm running on because they're all layouts I'm playing with. They're all DCC. I'm actually going to do a little tutorial on a interesting little project that I'm kind of thinking that guys might want to actually start building. I think it's a little project. Yeah, see these are cracked too. Yeah, I'm wondering if they don't just come that way. And that one just got bad. I'm hoping there's nothing else causing that because that would really stink. But that front truck was the truck that was locking up on me. So I'm thinking that was the issue. Because that one was much more noticeable when I took it apart to inspect it after having the problem. All right, those are in. That's in. So far, nothing's binding. Actually feels much better. Alright. I'm going to have to fix that in a second. That's not a big deal. But, yeah, let's see what's going on. Let's put these trucks back together again. I got my test track upstairs because I was just too hot the other day. Try to figure out, how to load this decoder, so I put my test track upstairs. My test track, I originally built my test track to run on DC. So I have a set of gauges on it that are DC only gauges, and they don't actually show voltage on it. But I'm gonna actually buy an AC digital readout, and I'll mount it in there. I left provisions for it when I did it, so that's what I did. I was actually looking to put a speedometer in there, but that was kind of a stupid idea. But it actually worked out better. All right, just plug my soldering iron in. I'll let that heat up while I go upstairs, and we'll give this a shot. All right, guys. So hold on a minute, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Welcome back. I'm upstairs now. It's cooler, and I got the train on the test track. I got the GMR up and running, and I gave a little test to make sure I had power and everything, and everything's looking good. Click on the power, and we got power up there. It's lighting up. And nice thing about these Proto 2000, man, these motors run really nice. So let me start ramping it up. See where we go. Yeah. One step. That's 2 steps on this thing. Look at that. Running smooth. 3 steps. 4 steps. Running really nice. Yep. That fixed it. No clickety clackety. All right. We're going to drop it in idle. Pop in reverse. Check it out in reverse. It's 2 clicks. It's amazing. Look at 2. How smooth that thing runs. These are 20-year-old engines. They really get much better than that? And that's it. All right, guys. We're going downstairs, get this body back on, fix that light that I broke, and we'll put it together. All right, thanks a lot. Hang on a minute. We'll be right back. All right, we soldered that back on. I don't know what happened. It stopped right after I hit start, but it was simple to start it back on. Only thing I want to do is the LED back there is just a little bit too far in. So let me readjust this camera and we'll go at that. Hold on a second. All right, so let's see what we can do here. Try shoving. Just try shoving all this stuff forward. See what I can do. See what I can do. There we go. Sideways. All right, I think that's gonna be a little better. That's gonna, but it's kind of growing light right there at that. So I'm thinking that's gonna work. Hoping it's working. I'm probably going to order from Tony's Trains Exchange a 4-plug, micro 4-plug wire set, and I'm gonna take the 2 LEDs and quasi semi attach them to the shell so they stay up there, and hopefully that does it. Yeah. So just give me 1 second, and we'll get this lid back on. All right. So here we are. We're gonna take this light, feed it back into the get in your hole. All right. Got that shoved back in the hole. Get this body on. I'm glad these things have a nice snug fit because I broke off a couple of the tabs, it looked like, and this thing fits nice on here like so. That's that. Everything's in. All put together. Looks so nice. Yep. And that's that, my friends. That's how you put a decoder in a Proto 2000 using a decoder buddy. And how you fix a broken gear in a Proto 2000. Once again, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Welcome to the back shop. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the number 50 giveaway. And as always, catch you later.